The new KUPER FFM, the perfect solution for automatic fanning of veneer packages. As a standalone or integrated in the KUPER Face veneer line, available in 2 working widths, it is the optimal tool for your tasks and space conditions. Flexible and productive all the way. The veneer packages with thicknesses between 8 and 20 millimeters are pre-glued with casein glue or urea-based glue. 2 conveyor belts ensure a powerful milling process due to their staggered arrangement. The conveyor belts can be replaced very easily if necessary. The result? A perfect veneer stack ready for further processing. Short drying time, no sticking, and exact stacking in any veneer thickness. After drying, the process will be continued with lateral or vertical splicing. KUPER offers Industry 4.0 solutions for process monitoring. All production and performance data is available in real time, thus enabling production planning and monitoring. KUPER Innovative. The KUPER FFM veneer fanning machine, the ideal addition to any face veneer line.